Spread.net, the leading .NET spreadsheet library for WinForms, WPF, and web apps. Spread.net is the industry's leading spreadsheet solution that allows .NET developers to easily integrate complete spreadsheet functionality into their own enterprise .NET applications, and so much more. Spread.net is the perfect option for creating applications for financial, accounting, healthcare, insurance, education, and many other industries. Offer your users the most complete Excel-like experience, leading to quicker app adoption. Import and export your most demanding Excel spreadsheets with no dependencies on Microsoft. Spread supports saving to Excel, XLSX, PDF, TXT, images, or HTML, and opening Excel, XLSX, XML, and custom text files. Use Spread to create spreadsheets, advanced data grids, dashboards, reports, data entry forms, diagrams, and more. Give your users the familiar spreadsheet UI experience and features they are looking for, including tables, charts, shapes, sparklines, slicers, a ribbon bar, conditional formatting, filtering, and data validation, to name a few. The powerful built-in calculation engine includes a complete function library supporting over 500 functions, such as statistical and financial functions, with features like iterative calculation, array formulas, dynamic arrays, cross-workbook formulas, and custom user-defined functions that your spreadsheet power users are accustomed to. Spread.net includes support for several popular .NET frameworks. The Windows Forms component allows you to develop feature-rich user interfaces with an object-oriented, extensible set of classes to incorporate spreadsheet functionality into your Windows Forms applications. Similarly, the WPF component allows you to incorporate advanced spreadsheet functionality into your Windows Presentation Foundation applications. We also have a legacy Spread for ASP.NET component to present and edit data in most browsers. As a developer, working with Spread.NET is easy. In Visual Studio, you can simply drag and drop the Spread component from the toolbox into your application, and the references will be automatically added to your project. Once you've added Spread to the form, you can right-click to invoke the Spread Designer. The designer lets the developer edit or customize templates at design time, which they can then apply or load into the Spread instance at runtime. The possibilities are endless with Spread.net. Ready to get started? Check out our interactive product demos, blogs, and documentation on the Meshius website and download a trial of Spread.net today.